Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk 5 of the Negotiations Lecture Series.
In the previous lecture, we talked about 3 tips in negotiating agreement without giving in, taken from the international bestseller Getting to Yes by Roger Fisher and William Ury. So the following are the 3 tips. 1. Don't bargain over positions. 2. Separate the people from the problem. And 3. Focus on interest. Now let's talk about the 3 frequently asked questions on negotiations. First, what if the other party you are negotiating with is more powerful? In that case, you have to develop your best alternative to a negotiated agreement, or BATNA. Also, try considering the other side's BATNA. If both sides have attractive BATNAs, the best outcome of the negotiation for both parties may well be not to reach agreement at all. In such cases, a successful negotiation is one in which you and the other party amicably and efficiently discover that the best way to advance your respective interest is for each of you to look elsewhere and not to try further to reach an agreement. The second frequently asked question is, what if the other party won't negotiate? This happens when the other party uses silence as a weapon. In this case, you may draft an agreement and invite the other party to criticize. And if the other party feels that you don't trust them, you may say, "We appreciate what you've done for us," and that trust is a separate issue. Or you may ask for clarity by saying, "Please correct me if I'm wrong. Could I ask a few questions to see whether my facts are right?" Or, "What's the principle behind your action? Let me show you where I have trouble following some of your reasoning." Or if you want more time to absorb things, you may say, "Let me get back to you." Or you may then suggest a fair solution. The third frequently asked question is, what if the other party uses dirty tricks, like deliberate deception or ambiguous authority? In this case, question the tactic, not the personal integrity. Remember to separate the people from the problem. Reform negotiation process rather than the person. Don't be diverted from the negotiation by the urge to teach the other party a lesson. Or you may invent options for mutual gains and insist on using objective criteria. Or you may say, "Look, I know this may be unusual, but I want to know the rules of the game. Are we both trying to reach a wise agreement as quickly and with as little effort as possible? Or are we going to play hard bargaining where the more stubborn fellow wins?" Or turn to your BATNA as a last resort. So that's it for our discussion on the frequently asked questions. You may review the answers as many times as you want. Thank you very much for listening.